Hello guys, it's Neka again, the Lone Wolf. So today I just got an Infinix Hot 8 phone and I'm ready to review you guys right now. Okay, so looking at the back of the phone, we can see we have some free codes for 9 Mobile and MTN, and also we can see some of the details on the phone here. I'll get right into them. So what we have here is that the phone has 32 gigs of storage and 2 gigs of RAM, and the phone's battery capacity is a 5000 mAh battery. The phone's Android version is Android 9 Pie. The phone's front camera is an 8 megapixel camera. The phone has a triple camera with a quad flashlight, a 13 megapixel camera, a 2 megapixel camera like for depth sensing, and a QVGA camera. The phone is able to do 4G, 3G, and 2G internet connections. The phone is a 6.6-inch HD display with a teardrop notch and a 720p display as well. It has a face unlock feature and a fingerprint sensor as well. So let's get on with unboxing the phone. So what we're seeing in the phone here is some of the details of the phone. An Infinix Hot 8 4G LTE, 5000 mAh battery, triple rear camera, direct sound mode, 6.6 HD display, water drop display, and Google Files. You can see here the phone uses a nano SIM card and an SD card slot. Look at the 3 cameras right here with the flash. Look at the fingerprint sensor. On the sides here we have the volume button and the on and off button. On the side here we have the SIM ejector. On the top here we have nothing here, and on the bottom we have our micro USB, the speaker, microphone, and our headphone jack here. You guys aren't seeing it well, it's pretty dark here. In the phone we have this. We have our SIM ejector tool, we have our earphones, our charging brick, our micro USB cable. Here we have an X Club membership, we have a user manual, we have protector, we have a Google Files paper, and we have a gel phone case with a nice and unique design to it. You can see here the phone is purple in color, and purple is my favorite color, and I like the purple design, and I like that it's very smooth and unique. So I just turned on the Infinix Hot 8 right now. XOS Cheetah, wow. This is the one that Infinix phones are using right now. It's SOS. So the phone is Android 9 right here, and it's launching right now. Wow, I love the UI of this phone, quite nice indeed. So let's see which apps this phone comes with. I have some Google apps here like Gmail, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Drive, Google Play Music, Google Play Movies, Google Duo, and Google Files. Here also comes with some XOS apps like X Club, X Team, AI Gallery, Feedback. It even comes with some games here, Fruit Frolic and Asphalt Nitro. And the phone comes with this app called Vskit. I can leave a link to that in the description. Okay, so let's test out the phone's camera right here. camera of this phone is quite impressive. It's not bad. It's very nice. So right now we are going to test out the face unlock feature, and we're also going to test out the fingerprint unlock as well. The face unlock works quite well. It's very nice. It's quite fast. Now let's test out the fingerprint. The fingerprint is actually pretty fast. This is the fastest I've seen. It's going really fast here. So that'll be all for today's video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to share this video with your friends. That's it. Subscribe to me, the Lone Wolf, and peace out.